a proud supporter of Operation Barbecue Relief.
Doesn't matter what you're barbecuing, every now and again you need a really good side dish to go with it. So today on the show I'm doing a Boston style baked bean. And it starts with 4 cans of, what am I using today? Great Northern beans. Using these because they were on sale. When you add these, you definitely want to add the juice. Don't drain, don't rinse off. Okay, now we got our 4 cans. Starts with 1 small diced onion. Use all of them. You got 1/4 pound of bacon. We have 1/4 cup brown sugar. 1/4 cup of molasses. 1/4 cup ketchup. And we have 1 tablespoon Worcestershire sauce. 1 teaspoon just regular table salt. 1/4 teaspoon black pepper, and 1/4 teaspoon ground mustard. All right, we've got these mixed really well. Let's go ahead and put them in the container we're going to bake them in. I've already got the grill set up for indirect heat. It's hot charcoal in the back with a drip pan in the front. Let's get these on. Now you want to set your dampers. You want to run this about 350 degrees. Take about an hour to an hour and a half or so before they're done. Just keep an eye on them. Check them as needed. Now, I've had beans on this grill for about an hour and a half and they're ready to go. Oh yeah, take a look at that. All that liquid's absorbed up out of there. It's really concentrated the flavors. There we go, Boston style baked beans. Great side dish that you and your friends will definitely enjoy. Thanks for watching. Please help support your local food bank. When you're doing barbecue, you always want a really good side dish to go along with whatever you're doing. Today I'm doing a Boston style baked bean as soon as that car gets past us. In all barbecue, you need a really good side grill to go with your food. Run out of space. All right, now we've got these good mixed. Let's go ahead and put them in our baking container.
Keep mixing it until that plane passes.
Yeah, I knew that. Oops. Don't do that at home.
What did you do?
Made a mess. It's in my contract, it's okay. There we go. Ah!
Come, check it out. Surf's up, dude.
Back on me.